guess we're gonna do another one just to show you guys.
Alright guys, so we have the Repu in Florida. We just went to plug some E85 and right now we're gonna go to Kyle's house and we're gonna weld two vibrant V-bands on the one on the turbo and one on the throttle body. Our biggest problem is that we've been blowing the intercooler coupling off, so we're gonna get rid of that problem. We're gonna continue using the Bio rotary premix. So far everything seems fine with it. Right now we're daily driving and then we're just gonna do a burnout this weekend at the Freedom Factory.
Dude, can you not have my
disclosure.
permission to film me?
Well, I know the mayor of Florida.
I know.
We're at the Boosted Boys, like, compound, or the party house.
Boys, trap house.
The Trap House.
Probably not, but more like a bachelor pad.
So we have the Repu here, and this has been giving us problems over and over and over.
It's not B-roll either.
Yeah. So John did it in a rush, and he did.
Shit.
I did it in a rush. Anyway, we keep blowing off that pipe, and we keep blowing off this pipe. So the solution is we're gonna clamp them with these vibrant clamps, and they don't come off. So pretty much, if we melt another wastegate line, the engine will blow up this time.
Yeah.
Instead of making us look bad,
Sick.
with blowing intercooler couplers off.
You guys put up a real good effort. That one day that I was there and it blew off that thing, you still got that exhaust housing bright red.
Yeah.
So that was pretty cool.
That day the engine kind of let go.
Nah, it still ran. But it was that coolant was coming out the side. So John actually drove it on the street the next day, took it to Mech Tech.
Yep.
We just have to keep putting coolant in it.
And I put 2 quarts of oil in it too.
Yeah, and it had no one. Yeah. But we actually opened up that engine, and the only thing was a water seal. Was like burned just from the extreme.
Well, now we're not gonna melt
heat.
hoses because Mike borrowed my hoses.
Yeah, so we have these.
He never paid me for them.
Sponsored by John Vargas.
Bullshit.
And
Bullshit. I want my money back.
shout out to Turbo Smart.
Shout out to John Vargas for the $300-something in lines.
Yeah.
So we got to take the throttle body apart to weld this on it.
Oh, you ain't got to take that apart, brother.
Oh no, man, I think.
Yeah, you just weld it slowly.
Right to it.
Nah, man.
Let that blade hang up a little bit.
Nah, she's gonna leak and it's gonna lose all the.
It's got no IAC anyway, so we need to idle up.
Yep. Perfect.
Nah,
Distort
bro.
the housing a little bit. Be great.
Okay.
So we'll take that off. John's got to weld that. Are you gonna weld the 90 straight to it, or
Yeah.
or the clamp to the throttle body?
No, it's gonna be like right here, somewhere right here.
Okay, the clamp.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
clamps going to the throttle body from the throttle body, aluminum 90. Get rid of the rubber coupler, and straight over there. So we're gonna reuse the same pipe.
I might not weld it. I might trade wire some followers
Two
for
reach
welds.
arounds. 2 reach arounds, and you got it.
We're gonna plug his YouTube for the weld job.
No.
Wait,
What
does
was
it
that
work
video
that way?
going around? What's that video? Your
cost
exposure
that much.
doesn't pay my bills.
It cut that much for me fucking hours.
Exactly.
Well, let's get started then. All right, so we got the throttle body off, compressor off, and now we just gotta cut what we welded on it.
Too.
Yeah, and a little bit off here.
Now it's gonna be like it's not gonna be a bad
John
enough
doesn't.
weld.
John wants this little lip cut,
Yeah,
so
man.
we're gonna make that happen. Nobody. No worry. Yo, who gave this dude the bandsaw?
Not me, bro.
I mean, this is my cut. So
yeah.
we're both.
Look at this idiot.
We're both. It's like too early right now. Look at that shit.
I ain't enough teas deep to make.
With this, what you gotta do is just keep filling it in, and it goes away.
Professionals. You shocked the shit out of him, bro.
Right as a shock.
You fucking
fucked my well, bro. Idiot, dude.
We gotta do the 90 and put the sensors on, TPS and IAC back on, and that should be it. And then we gotta remodify this pipe. So I messed up and I cut this crooked. So now John has to fix it. And we're just gonna keep it.
We're fixing what Mike had done.
Keeping it around there.
Blow valve never works. Now we just gonna get rid of it.
Yeah, the blow valve was never working. So we're just gonna get rid of it. After 1,500 tries, we finally got it. So we have to,
Something like that.
yeah. So we have to add a lot. We have to
You
add
guys
this,
don't
this,
listen.
this.
You guys don't listen about the measurements I made.
So that's a 9 or a 3.
So 5.
So that's tacked up. That's welded. That's welded. So we're gonna final put the O-ring on, seal it final, and we're gonna be on our way to Bradenton after this. Nice. This thing's gonna work.
We got the chupapis welded to the moñeños.
All right, so Wyatt and John got this done. So right now
No.
we got the
Wyatt
flexible.
Did this.
Don't even start with me, bro.
I did this.
Don't even start with me.
Well, look at this one. Oh! So you guys be the judge.
Broken it.
Yeah, man, we're trying to make a video here. You can't turn this shit on.
All right,
Yeah,
so
V8 problems.
we got what, an hour drive with this thing,
Yeah.
and
Not tuned yet. We have no Y-band, so we'll see what happens.
sick. All right, let's go.
We're heading over to Cooper's right now. We're gonna go hang out with him. Hopefully we don't get caught in this storm. Drive the truck before I blow it up today. Oh, I stalled it.
Damn, bro.
That was sick.
All right, okay. Round 2. You gotta rev it up a little bit.
I feel like she's breaking up a little on me.
Yeah, that's how it does. It's supposed to be like that.
That's normal?
Yeah, that's normal. The brakes, you gotta pump them sometimes.
It's hard not to push the gas when you're pushing the brake too.
It's the dash shields. Alright, I'm pretty sure we're running out of gas. That fell off. Alright, we need to find a gas station.
That is so much fuel now.
We're about to run out of gas.
And we're getting killed by carbon monoxide. Well, I guess you know what you're gonna do today.
Hey, I know my truck. We're gonna make it.
These Vargas guys always run out of gas.
We're gonna make it. We're gonna make it.
Up here on the right. Need a gas mask. Is that it running out?
Yeah, I ran out. Oh, we're almost there. We're almost there.
Yeah, it's right there.
Damn, we ran out. But we're gonna make it. I'm gonna make Cooper push us the rest of the way.
That's. I don't know if this turn gets us in there. I mean, now we're past it, but it didn't look like it did.
Nah, it doesn't.
No. Oh, maybe it did. Yeah, it did. Ride the starter. Clutch out, let the starter push us.
We're gonna have to push it like noobs.
I feel like this is the most Vargas Brothers thing that has ever happened to me. A weld broke off the exhaust, and then we ran out of gas.
Look at that. Damn, bro. Look at the cops.
Can you help us?
I'm gonna put this on the windshield. I'm gonna push it the rest of the way. So Cooper ain't riding with me no more.
I'm done.
But we made it. We made it to the gas station.
You got bad knees?
Yeah.
I also got bad knees.
We almost made it. All right. Look, it's a wild SE.
Hey, that's a rare car.
Yeah, it's a 10th. That's a 10th anniversary.
Yeah. What's up, man? How you doing? Good, good. How are you?
Oh, good.
I'm a big fan of you guys.
Yeah.
Thank you, man. Exhaust, dude.
Oh, he likes to party.
Hell
Look at that thing.
It's
Oh, look, he's tuning over here, bro.
oh yeah. I put 26 on the secondaries,
Okay.
22 primaries, but I only have one 450 pump. I have the second one. I need to put it.
Okay.
I have dash 8 lines, FD rotors, FD housing, 6-pin.
That's sick.
Man, I'm
What are
pumped.
the
I just
chances?
met you guys. What the fuck?
We're getting fuel for his rotary
Yeah.
right now.
No
so
way.
No, we got the truck over here.
Oh, the Repu.
Yeah.
Nice.
We're
Bringing
there.
out to the Freedom Factory tonight for a burnout.
Yeah, at 6 o'clock. There's for $10 you can get in.
When?
Tonight at Braden, close to
Freedom
Bradenton
Factory,
Freedom
yeah.
Factory.
Garrett's track, Cletus's track.
Yeah. We're back with regular gas.
So bad.
Yeah, we just put regular 93 on it. So we gotta fix that before the burnout contest. All right, so I got the pipe welded back on. Cooper was nice enough to let me use this Fronius. This thing's actually pretty sick. Has a Bluetooth pedal and a water cooler. All right, so we're gonna get this back on, and then we still need gas, and then we need to tune it still.
Just a few
So
things to do.
we have one thing to do in the morning, and then now we have 3 things to do.
Yeah, driving it may not have been the best move. Because you would have had gas and you wouldn't have had to weld that.
Yeah.
But that was quick.
We got this back on, welded, and we drained the 93 that we put in it, so it has no more 93. We're gonna go get some E85. Really don't want to mess too much with the tune, so I don't want to change fuels, so we're just gonna put E85 back in it, and 2-3 more hours we'll start heading to the Freedom Factory.